Yeah, good morning, class 5. Today we shall read grammar. In the grammar, what we read? The name of the chapter, tense. Okay, today we will read about tense, how many types of tense, and what is the tense. At first, I am trying to inculcate you what is tense. The change in the form of a verb according to time is called tense. यानी verb में समय के अनुसार यानी क्रिया में समय के अनुसार परिवर्तन को हम लोग टेंस अदरवाइज काल कहते हैं. टेंस इज यू कैन से टाइम. नाउ इन हिंदी मीनिंग जस्ट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टूड काल. ओके, तो हम लोग समझे द चेंज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ वर्ब अकॉर्डिंग टू टाइम इज कॉल्ड टेंस. नाउ देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ टेंस. फर्स्ट वन प्रेजेंट. Now second one past tense. Third one future tense. Yeah, there are three types of tense. Now each tense has four types. Means that present tense has four types, past tense has four types, along with and future tense has four types. Means that 4 3 are 12. There are 12 types of tense. Just we will see. Now, just we will read about present tense. There are, just I told you that now there are 4 types of in present tense. Look at the grade wood. Now first, simple present. Present continuous, present perfect, and last one present perfect continuous tense. Yeah, these are the present types. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, otherwise you can say progressive also. PROGRESSIV. Progressive tense. Progressive tense. You can say present continuous tense, otherwise present progressive tense. Present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. These are the types of present tense. Now we will see the structure. What is the structure of present tense? Simple perfect tense. Now, a structure. Subject. As for subject here, V1 means that verb first root and V5 plus object. This is the structure of simple present tense. Through the example, we will understand which type of sentence under this simple present tense. Now, example number first, I play badminton. I play badminton. He plays cricket. Just you have to take here difference play and here plays. Why I write here present play and here plays? What is the difference here? Student, this is the first. I think just you should understand that whenever the subject is first person, suppose that I or we, and second person, suppose that you, then you should just you take the V1 form. Now when your subject is he, she, it, singular and any name, then just you have to take V5. Okay, the term of V5. This is the difference in V1 oblique V5. Okay. This is the structure of simple present tense in affirmative form. Now, just we will see in negative form. What is the structure of negative form? I erase the students. So, look at here. This is the affirmative form. Now, next we will see negative form, negative structure. Negative structure. Okay, look at here. Be careful. Subject, as for subject here, do oblique does plus not plus V1. Both sentence just turn into the negative sentence. Okay. I play badminton. Just whenever you as you are given the direction or instruction, so change it into negative sentence. Just you have to change I play badminton. Then how can you change? In the negative form or negative sentence. Now I play badminton, then change into negative form. I do not. Otherwise you can say don't. This is the abbreviation form of the do not. Don't. Okay, D-O-N''T. Don't. I don't play badminton. Now next example. Your next example is he plays cricket. Just change it to the interrogative. Now negative form. He does not. Otherwise you can say doesn't play. And the negative form will be formed now. Then your V5 will be removed here. Only V1 form here. Okay. He does not, otherwise doesn't play cricket. This is the negative form of simple present tense. Now, further we will see interrogative form of simple present. This is the negative. Already we have seen the affirmative sentence, means that positive. This is the second pattern. Our third pattern is interrogative. Interrogative structure. Okay. See the interrogative structure of simple present. Do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object, or don't forget that put the sign of question mark or interrogation mark. Now both sentences change into the interrogative form. I do not play badminton. Then change into interrogative form. Do I play badminton? Our next example. He does not or doesn't play cricket. Does he play cricket? Don't forget that put the question mark. Also put here sign of question mark or interrogation. This is the interrogative structure of simple present tense. Now next, go further and look at the point group seriously or carefully. Fourth one, WH words plus interrogative. WH words plus interrogative. I am clear. So interrogative. Structure. WH words means your word like that. How many, how much, how far, where, why, when. All these are WH words. Your example will be there. I play badminton. Change into the WH words interrogative structure. When do I play badminton? Sign of question mark. At first, see the structure. WH words plus do oblique Dutch plus subject plus V1 plus object plus sign of question mark. Okay. This is the example. This I will change the WH words and interrogative section. Now second example. Second example is he plays cricket now. And children, when does he play cricket? Put the sign of question mark. In this way, in today's class, we shall see the all simple present form. Tomorrow I will see the present continuous tense. That's all, student. I hope you understood this. Take care.